What do you want?
I want your bicycle.
What is going on?
I'm watching mobile.
Where are we?
We are in US.
Where are you?
I am at home.
When can we meet?
We can meet now.
Why are you crying?
I'm lost.
Who is he?
He is my teacher.
What's that?
This is my pencil.
Which one do you want?
I want the red one.
Why do you lie?
I was scared.
Whose is this?
It's mine.
Where's my book?
It is in the library.
Whose guitar is this?
This is our guitar.
Whose idea it is?
It is my idea.
When will they arrive?
They will arrive by 6 p.m.
Who is he?
He is my dad.
Who broke this?
My son broke this.
Whose friend is he?
He is my friend.
Which is mine?
This is your.
Which is your pen?
This is my pen. Thank you for watching. Like